Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Steph and she's come in for a fresh set. So we removed her previous set, soaked them in acetone. Steph is going on holiday. Well, she's going to Ibiza for like the closing event, I think, that they do, or whatever it is. So she wanted a fresh set for that. She has really hook nails. They kind of like really hook as her natural nails grow, and she doesn't like her natural nails underneath. So every time they reach the top, we just remove them and put a fresh set on. So that's what we're doing today, just in time. Perfect timing for a holiday. So she just wanted a clean white set. If you know me well enough, you know that I hate white. I just hate everything about working with white. So I hate working with it. I hate shaping it. I hate filing it. I just hate it. So if I agree to doing white on you, you know I love you. You know we're friends. I put up with it for you. So I'm using my size 10 Tracy Lou brush, and we're using CJP coconut milk. If you can hear Mel screaming in the background, he has been crazy all morning since 8 o'clock, 8:30. He's been non-stop. He's only just calming down now. I don't know what he wants, but he has these moments where he's just absolutely crazy. But anyway, just try and ignore that. I know my slapping lips, some people are going to hate this video, the slapping lips and the squawking of a bird in the background. Hell on earth. But anyway, yes, so we have sped through this video just because it is pretty simple, and my application is never great with white. So I've just fast forwarded it. Is that even a word? I hope it is. If not, I've made it up. Just like this name that I've made up. So it's all white, and then on the ring finger we're going to do a glitter slice. I've made that name up. I'm new to I feel like I've made a name up for the industry. I hope people start using it. They're probably not. They're like, glitter slice, it's not pizza, Trace. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to let you enjoy, or try and enjoy, my white application. Oh, we've even got, look, okay, bye. So for the cut out glitter slice, you kind of have to start off at the cuticle area with quite a large bead and then walk it down and try to cut it off at a slant. Again, I did this hand, it went alright, but it wasn't the best, and I did her other hand, which I don't record, and I was like, it went perfect, and I was like, god damn it. But anyway, you get the gist. So you do this, and then cap all the nails. I know I don't need to cap the nails, because I have done them quite thick, but I still just like to. I just end up filing it off, but it's in my head, I just like to cap any nails that I do. So that's what we're going to do here. Still using my size 10 brush. So yeah, once we're done, I'm gonna once it's all set, I'm gonna file that line nice and crisp, and then I'm adding some glitter, which is my holographic gold shards. They are stunning, and I nearly forgot to press record, but you get a little clip of it, so I'm sorry. So I've left a little clip of me filing, but this is why I don't often show my filing, because it's just impossible to get it in shot, because you're just moving it constantly, you're just moving it out of shot, and you're not in the same position as you are when you're applying your acrylic. So I kept trying to bring it back, but yes, we had to file quite a bit because they were chunky, because I like to cap. Because I'm weird, I just like to make time, put extra time, make it a bit harder for myself. I like to do that, don't I? So yeah, once I've done that, I'll then shape them and buff them, and we are ready for gloss. Merlin is still going. Mama's coming. So now we're going to apply CJP tack free top gloss, and then she'll cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. We applied cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this simple video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.